Concept Heidelberg, Europe's leading advanced training and information services provider in pharmaceutical quality assurance. One of the prerequisites for complying with the strict quality standards in the pharmaceutical industry is qualified staff in all areas of the company. They have to know, understand and implement the current requirements of the Good Manufacturing Practice (GMP) and Good Distribution Practice (GDP) regulations. And therefore, continuous training and development is inevitable.
For 40 years, we have been concentrating our services on the pharmaceutical legislation, especially on the GMP and GDP requirements. Today, our company is the largest conference organizer in the field of the pharmaceutical industry with more than 10,000 participants per year. We organize about 300 training courses and conferences in 10 European countries. Moreover, we understand our company today as a full-service provider in the field of GMP and GDP compliance.
Already the first GMP conference in 1979 attracted almost 200 participants and was a complete success. 5 years later, the company already organized 11 GMP conferences. In 1989, the first English language conference was conducted, the cornerstone for the international expansion. 10 years later, the just established European Compliance Academy, the ECA, entrusted Concept Heidelberg with organizing and conducting of all its trainings and conferences in Europe. In addition to the more than 300 events annually, the company today organizes, from Heidelberg, more than 100 in-house trainings on-site at the world's leading pharmaceutical companies, as well as events on behalf of various international associations such as the ECA, the European QP Association, the APIC, and various universities and other organizations. Seminars as well as in-house trainings provide continuous training of staff in the field of pharmaceutical manufacturing, quality assurance and distribution.
Wir haben hier unterschiedliche Referenten.
This kind of seminar with speakers from both sides, from industry and from authorities, are simply a good forum for participants because they get to know a topic from the different perspectives and because they offer the best opportunity to exchange information and experience with both colleagues from other companies and speakers. Many of these seminars are assigned to certification programs, allowing participants to additionally qualify through a subsequent online exam. Conferences, on the other hand, are the ideal platform for discussing current challenges as well as new trends and developments, and for networking. GMP webinars, allowing a quick and uncomplicated update on the current requirements of the international pharmaceutical authorities, are also becoming increasingly popular. Since 2011, Concept Heidelberg has also been offering 11 GMP and GDP e-learning courses in 11 languages. With practical training videos from production and quality control, they are particularly appropriate for training new staff in the GMP/GDP environment. Today, more than 300 pharmaceutical companies in more than 30 countries take advantage of the system and each train up to 2,000 employees per year. For all events, Concept Heidelberg cooperates with, altogether, more than 600 speakers from the leading pharmaceutical companies, as well as from national and international regulatory authorities such as the American Food and Drug Administration, FDA, or the European Medicines Agency, EMA. This way, participants benefit from high-quality events, providing them with first-hand information and the opportunity of a direct exchange with experts. In addition, the company offers GMP consulting as well as GMP publications and software. Furthermore, every month, tens of thousands of professionals take advantage of the specifically developed GMP and GDP internet portals for researching current trends. With this comprehensive range of services for the pharmaceutical industry, authorities and other companies and service suppliers involved, Concept Heidelberg is the #1 training and information services provider in Europe.